Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Ulta eyeshadow palette in Metals. This is Ulta's Metals eyeshadow palette, which includes 12 versatile, stunning, and highly pigmented eyeshadow shades in matte and shimmering textures. With this 12 color palette, you can create subtle to dramatic looks, and it includes this handy dandy full-size brush. So let's take a look at the colors. I used to say what the colors were called. Oh, now I see them. So this first one here is called Noble. We're gonna take a look at this one. That's a nice white highlighter that you can use for the eyebrow portion of your eye. This next one is called Lady, and this is an all over the eyelid color. This is a matte that you can build upon so that you can do a smoky eye. So take a look at that. So that's Lady. You can see that you can build the pigment up. This next one is called Rain, and this looks like it's a little shimmery. So this is a nice pink. Yeah, so that's a nice subtle pink. I'm gonna have to go down my arm because I don't have enough room. The next color is called Crown, which looks like metallic-y color. So we'll take a look at this. Oh yeah, this is a really pretty color. If you can see it right here. It's metallic-y. It's a real pretty color. Then this next one is called Dynasty. I think this is a matte color, not a, doesn't have any shiny pigments in it. So you see that? It's a nice buildable light violet color. It's actually kind of like what Miss Piggy wears. So the next one is called Royal, and I believe this has some shimmer to it. But if you wanted to, what you could do is go into the crease of the color Dynasty and build in a darker crease into that color. But this is what basically this color Royal looks like. So that's Royal. Then we're headed back to the beginning of the palette, and this is Honor, and this looks like it's either, I can't tell if it's purple or silver. I think it's silver. I think it's a nice silvery color. That's the silvery color. That is Honor. The next one is Jupiter. I'm sorry, not Jupiter. Jester. And this one looks like more of a gunmetal shimmer look to it. So that's that one. Then there's also in this palette Amore, which kind of looks like a brownish color. This is something that you would probably put in the crease of your eye to do a smoky look. It's kind of like a brownish purple. Brownish purple, I think. This next one is Green, and it is called Fortress. So let's take a look at this one. That's what Fortress looks like. Right there. We only got 2 more colors to go. So there's Fortress. This is Duchess, and it definitely sparkles in it. This is another color that you would use in the crease of your eye to make a smoky eye. So yeah, so that is a nice dark blue. And I'm not sure what this last color is. I think it's black. It's just called Duke. So let's show off Duke. Yeah, exactly. So this is for exactly if you want to do a smoky eye. So you can see that it goes from a nice white highlight to overall colors that you can put on your lids, and then colors that you can put into the creases to make smoky eyes. So these are all the colors that come in the 12-piece jewel tone eyeshadow metals palette by Ulta, and you don't have to take my word for it, but you might want to check it out. So check it out, and yeah, I think you'll like it. Thanks so much for watching.